she's definitely a support. Like I call my mum probably every day. Just ask her just random questions or anything. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, 24/7 pretty much support and love. I've been taught maybe quite a lot of resilience from my family, and just sort of, yeah, whenever anything gets hard, it's always going to be okay if you just, I don't know, keep trying, I guess. Yeah, mum and dad have always just really taught me to just keep at things, and I feel like that's how it's got me today with like being overseas and coming back here and work and then having a dog. That's why I moved back to New Zealand, because I missed my family so much. And especially through COVID being overseas, that was 10 times harder. So then I kind of got used to, I think, them not being around so much. But then, yeah, just mum and dad did come visit me overseas, and that made me more want to come home. And I just missed New Zealand and, yeah, the whānau. So, yeah, it's been good. So being actually in the same country is so much better than being overseas.